Yes. Now we have to discuss about industry and academia relation. On this topic, there are many debate and discussion have been done in before also. But even since longer time, academics and industry have very good relations. Both are supporting each other by one or other way. Industry needs very much help from the academia, means academic institutions. Like in industry, all the manpowers are coming from the academic institution, whether are managerial, either beginner, either training stage, so either engineering branch, either management, or even medical professionals, any kind of manpowers only trained by the academicians in any academy. Nowadays, things are moving forward. Things are moving very means fast. Like for example, always we are hearing the new version of mobile, new version of computer are coming every year like that. So it means there are certain research are going on, certain moderation are going on. That is made by the scientific level person. Even we can see this all things coming from the academia, but even inside the academics, very few persons, those who are exactly involved in the basic research, fundamental research, they can doing such kind of things. They are above than the teaching faculties. They can only do something advancement. So, in order to make this accomplish, make them continue to do that, the academia need to support from industry in the form of the projects. That means academic people doing their own research on their own way, hardcore they are doing. But if industry people put the projects, give their exact problems what they are facing, then the researcher can look into and suggest certain solution. So at this venture, industry can take benefit from the academics in two ways. Number one, by proposing their projects, they can get advancement in their existing materials or products. Along with that, they can also send their employees, not all but few employees, they can send and get trained. They should be refreshed. They should be get latest knowledge of the existing subject. So academics can help industry, and industry should take the benefit from the academics by supporting them financially in terms of projects, and that is not from the particular any other section. Academics have freedom. They can do any project. There is no requirement to take any regulation or permission from anywhere. They are free to do that. And industry have already the budgets in order to promote their product, their industry. But sometimes what they are doing, they are wasting more part of their budget to make advertisement. One part of the industry people thought that things are getting promoted by advertisement. Sometimes or most of the time it's not true. The second part is, if that amount they should divert to the academics and give them good project, give them exact problem what they are facing, academic people can solve that one and provide the good product. Their business automatically will improve. Rather to get into the advertisement, they have to divert their funding to the academic institution, and along with that, they can also train their manpower, either in technical, either in managerial, wherever their expertise is, they can get benefit like that. So since longer time, this term academia-industry relation, now in present time, it is changed. Researcher and industry relation. That means industry people can get the benefit from the researchers, not from the academics. This point to be noted, because academia general means industry people thinking those who are teaching, they can help us. But really it is not true, because they are not having updated knowledge. So industry people has to find out the best person who are working at the surface of the current problem. Those who are having the updated knowledge of the subject, they can only suggest the best possible solution of their existing problem. So academia industry relations should read out now researchers and academia relations, and they both have to help each other. How they have to help, as explained just a minute before. Thank you all.